Hello and welcome to my online digital academy. My name is Mohammed Wasim and today we are going to learn rounding numbers. We will learn and practice how to round off the numbers to the nearest 10, 100 and 1000. If you have any questions during the class, you can ask in the comments. Personally, I will answer them. Rounding the numbers, we will understand the concept by one example. 12. The 12 fall between the two tens number, which is 10 and 20. The halfway is 15. What is the place value of 2 is 2, which is less than 5. Write down your number. Your number fall here 12. So the place value of one's place is 2, which is less than 5. So the number will reduce to the nearest 10. So the 12 will reduce to nearest 10, which is 10. All right. What if the value is greater than 5? What will happen? We will take another example. The 76 number falls between two tens is 70 and 80. The halfway is 75. Write down your number, which is 76. The place value of 6 at one's place is 6, which is greater than 5. The number will increase to nearest 10, which is 80. All right. Or we can say if the place value of one's place is greater than 5, the 10th place will increase by 1, which will become 8, and the number itself will increase by 10, which is 80. All right. So both the definitions are correct. Now rounding the numbers nearest to 100. Let's understand with an example. 384 falls between 200 values, which is 300 and 400, and the halfway is 350. Write down your value, which is more than 350. We can write here 384. All right. And as we said, and as we learn, rounding the numbers nearest to 100, it depends on the 10th place. What is the value at 10th place is 80, which is greater than 50. If the value is greater than 50, the number will increase to the nearest 100. So the number will become 400 as the 10th place is greater than 50. All right. If the value is less than 50, what will happen? We will understand with the one more example. Let's clear the value. Let's take example 342. The 342 falls between 200 values, which is 300 and 400. The halfway is 350. What is the place value at 10's place is 40, which is less than 50. All right. Write down your number, which will fall here 342. All right. So the 10th place is less than 50. The number will reduce to the nearest 100, which is 300. So 342 will round to the nearest 100, which is 300. All right. We will go one step ahead, rounding the number nearest to 1000, and it depends on the 100th place. Let's take an example. 4856. 4000 falls between 2000 numbers, 4000 and 5000. What is the halfway of 4000 and 5000? 4500. And write down your number, which is 4856. What is the place value at 100th place? Is 800, which is greater than 500. If the value is greater than 500, the number will round to the nearest 1000, which is 5,000. So 5,856 will round to nearest thousand, which is 5,000. All right. And if the value of 100th place is less than 5, what will happen? Let's understand with the example. 4,476 falls between 2,000, which is 4,000, and 5,000. The halfway of 4,000 and 5,000 is 4,500. Let's write down the number which will fall somewhere here. 4,476, which is less than 500, of course. So it will fall here somewhere. All right. So what is the value at 100th place is 400, which is less than 500. So if the value is less than 500, the number will round to the nearest 1000, which is 4,000. So 4,476 will round to 4,000. All right. I hope this will clear your concept of rounding the numbers the nearest to 10, nearest to 100, and nearest to 1000. Let's move to the exercises of rounding the number. If you found this video informative and helpful, it is requested to subscribe, like, and share to grow my online academy.